Hi, this is the perfect warm-up for leg extensions. So stay tuned, here we go. We're gonna be doing a lot of that. Hi, this is Cheryl Ale. I am the founding director of RPM, Revolutionary Principles of Movement. I am here to teach you, the dancers and the teachers, to be the very best that you can be. This is ballet for everybody. This is what we do. We make you better. Let's warm up those legs. Oh gosh, without that, I couldn't even be standing here for all these hours to do this for you, buddy. All right, so we're going to slide to the side. This stretches the back of the leg. And here we go, up and over. First, you have to stretch the entire supporting side first. It's the equal and opposite stretch that creates the strength because it's a counter resistance in the body that creates the control. Here we are, we're stretching long, long, and this stretches both sides of the body, and the torso is higher than the hip sockets, as you can see, which doesn't create damage to the hip socket. Because when that happens, then we hypermobilize the hip socket, and that is not good at all, because then you will have no strength at all in your hip socket to hold any kind of extension. You may think the better you stretch and the more you stretch, the higher your leg will be. Well, what happens is, at first that will happen, but you will slowly lose strength because you are overstretching and hypermobilizing the joint. You always need to keep your torso above your hips, right? So you will see the effects of this. Once they are finished, you will then see the way that they can développer their leg and hold. Super important. Here we go, into a penché, complete control and two-way energy, stretching both ways at the same time. And they're able to balance and hold control again, bringing the counter resistance into play. If this is your first time to this channel, we would love it if you subscribed. This channel is all about helping you dance better, both for your teachers and for students. So again, hit that subscribe button and see you next time, and we'll get better and better and better and better and better and better and better.